Hello guys, welcome again in the new video. So in this video we will see the motorized breaker connection. This is NS1000N compact breaker of Schneider. Okay, so let me show you one by one how the cables are connecting here and what is all these things here, how we will connect and operate this breaker. So first of all, this is motor, and this is the motor connection, MCH. This is motor connection. Okay, this is XF, this is MX. Okay, these are the two signal coils connection here, which is installed here. As you see, these wires are connected here in these two coils. Okay, one is XF and one is MX. Here we will connect our terminal connection. Okay, as you see here, this A1 is neutral. Okay, A2, A4 and B4. So here one is neutral, one is for motor, one is for opening coil, one for closing coil. Okay, so I will explain you now what is A1. A1 is common neutral. Okay, and your A2 is closing coil. Okay, this A2 is closing coil. Okay, and A4 is opening coil. And B4 is motor supply. Okay, so B4 is motor supply, A4 is opening coil for breaker opening command, A2 is closing command, and A1 is common neutral for all these supplies. Okay, after that, if you will see here, we have OF1, OF2, OF3. so these are auxiliary contacts. Okay, OF1, OF2, we have three terminal blocks, and this is SDE. Okay, this is also auxiliary contact, but it will give you only status of tripping. This is only for tripping, breaker tripping status. This you can use. Here we have this common, normally close, and this is normally open. So in normal condition, off condition, breaker off condition, these two will be normally close, and when breaker is on, this terminal will get close. Okay, so we have this, we will use in our wiring. Here, this is our terminal connection here for our MX coil. As you see here, it is writing here MX is equals to shunt and MN is equals to UVR. So if we will install MN, so it is our UVR, MX is shunt coil. Okay, so here we have three coils, 1, 2, 3. One is XF, one is MX, and one is MN. Okay, so these are the two wires. For each coil we have red green, which is going here. From here we have this motor supply, this is XF supply, this is MX supply. Okay, so now I will make wiring, and after that we will test. This is here reset button. Okay, and this is micro logic 2.0. Here we have our current setting, which we will discuss in next video. Okay, and these are the status of breaker. Once the breaker is on or off, it will be shown in front of the cover, because now this cover I removed. So this will show you the status of the motorized breaker, the motor, that motor is charged or not charged. These two are push button. Okay, for turning on and off manually. By pressing these buttons we can turn it on and off. Okay, now it's not working because the motor is not charged, and also the MX is installed. Here we have, these are our main terminals for power. So now I will do the wiring, and I will show you the operation of this in the next video. So if you have any question, please let me know. Thank you very much.